Deciding what college to choose can be overwhelming. What if you have a ton of colleges on your list and can't visit all of them in person? Or perhaps you want to leave Arizona one day and just don't have the money to fly all the way to Boston to check out all the fancy colleges and universities. Today, I'm going to walk you through taking a virtual college tour and how to use the fantastic college resource website, Campus Tours, an interactive website with maps and actual narrated tours for several schools. It's like you're there on campus without actually being on campus. We live in the digital world now, which really opens up your college choices for you. You can check out schools all across the country. It's a fun way to explore and to look at all of your options. Okay, let's take a tour of the website. So, for you, the main section you should use is College Search. First, I'm going to do a basic search for schools in Arizona and hit search. As you can see, there are a ton of schools to explore in the state alone. What's also great about this search is you can see the location and total enrollment of students. If you're looking for a small, medium, or large college, you'll know how to narrow down your choices. If you're interested in any of the schools, click on one of your choices. For example, I decided to look at the University of Arizona by clicking on View Details. Here I learn about a specific school such as degrees offered, tuition costs, enrollment statistics, admission requirements, sports offered, and majors. Plus, if I scroll all the way back to the top of the page, I have maps, videos, and virtual tours to explore. Let's take a look at the map. Here you can see for yourself the gigantic sized campus of the University of Arizona, and you can zoom in and out to take a closer look. On Campus Tours, they also link to each school's website, which is also a fabulous way to explore various colleges. Videos take you to the school's personal videos, but what really makes Campus Tours stand out are the tours, of course. While not every school will have a guided audio tour, many do. Let's see what one looks like. As you can see, it's like taking an actual tour on campus, kind of. When you're ready to look at the next section of the college, click on the arrow. Let's see what the Fine Arts department looks like. Pretty awesome, right? Now, if you don't want to listen to anyone talking and would rather read, you can also hit mute. You can also move your mouse to the left to look ahead at the tour and click on the section that you want to check out. Let's scroll down to the library. Another cool feature to notice is the images near the bottom of the screen. If you see those, feel free to click on one so you can move around during the tour and take a closer look at each section of the campus. First, we see the library courtyard. Here you can take a 360-degree look around. Next, let's take a look at the Integrated Center. And finally, the library itself. It's a huge library with a ton of space. Next, merely click the X to return to your tour. It's really that simple. Now I'm going to scroll down to the end of the tour. What's so cool about campus tours is that sometimes you can even see what the town and area are like around the campus. Here is downtown Tucson, for instance, and 4th Avenue, where they often hold fairs. After closing out of this tour, I'm going to return to the home page. Under College Search and School Name, you can search for specific schools. For example, maybe you have always dreamed about going to Harvard. Let's take a look. The search will automatically bring you to your results. Once again, click on View Details, and you're good to go. I'm going to click on the virtual tour just to point out that every school's tour works a little differently. Unlike U of A, I have the ability at Harvard to use 360 degrees for the audio tour and for the image clicks. You can even look at the dorms. A little squishy, but that's to be expected at just about any dorm you go to. Of course, you can always look at apartments if you're more comfortable with that. It's all about options and what would make your college experience the best fit for you. Anyway, I hope you learned something new today and will take the time to explore all the colleges that interest you. College applications are just around the corner after all. Honestly, if you're a junior, the time is now to start making that ever so important college list. Campus tours and virtual tours of various schools will help you do just that. Have fun exploring all of the possibilities.